Awards.
Okay.
I love them for everything. I like most weather song. Move it to the sound.
Move it to the sound. Why? Why is
It's full sound. They have wings. They work. They can fly. But I cannot fly. I can. Bird fly and Bella Bear goes to the nest. A bird goes to the nest and birds are little babies. And it's animal dance. Let's us stand up and move around and clap our hands. Look over there, our friend of dog. He goes, bow, bow, bow. Look at animal dance.
Just come to attend the finished program which Silicon has proudly started, and I'm glad that they have started in early age where my son is in LKG. I'm sure next year is going to be great learning for him because it's unlearn, learn and then on as for the student and the parent as well. So I'm looking forward to more hands-on activities where I'm sure my son who is jumping would love this and it is great for him where there is less of writing I'm sure and more of hands-on activity and there's more of creative thinking which he likes to do. So thank you Silicon for introducing this and I'm proud that Karnataka is the first, this school Silicon is the first school which is starting it. All the best to the faculty, teachers and good luck to the whole staff and students.
As a parent, I was always concerned that even though Tanveer was very good at expressing himself with actions, but he was a late talker. And like I said, it was very concerning for me as to how he would be able to cope with school when he hardly spoke a couple of words like the whole sentences. But 5 months into school today, I see a vast difference in Tanveer. He is more confident, he is more outgoing, he enjoys himself in class, he enjoys himself during circle time, and yes, he forms excellent sentences.
parents? Let me bring to you how we have even moved on to implementing these strategies in our grades 1 and 2. Trust me, it's just been a couple of days, but children have started using slate and chalk, which is an environmentally progressive way from tasks to help them understand simple ideas but through experiential learning, weather, date, calendar, and even moods, emotions, and concepts like length. So, ladies and gentlemen, I let you soak in the big picture. Here is NEP ready task for you all to visualize. Please soak in the poster. I now request our little host to take this event forward. It's a bliss to see the little ones lead us today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is NEP in action.
Good morning, everyone. Wish you all well a happy Republic Day. Good morning. I am Advait from Senior KG. What a beautiful Republic Day morning. I am Rayan from Senior KGB. Warm welcome everyone. I am Navya from Senior KG.
So I thank the parents for taking out the time, for being in this event with us, for making us, feel proud for what we are doing, for supporting us wholeheartedly. After this, I really would like to thank coming back to my little hosts. Thank you so much, Riyansh, Navya, Aditi. Can I have the spotlight on them, please? Oh my God! Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking our event, the entire event you have hosted in a marvelous, marvelous manner. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sita Sandeep Raut from Senior KG Class A. Today I am the author of this book, The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time there was one crow flying in the sky. It was very sunny day. Slowly water level started coming up. He drank water and flew away. So, moral of the story is save each drops. I hope you like my story. Thank you. Hello friends, hello teacher. My name is Gandhi. I study in Senior KG. I have written a book of a thirsty crow. One day, the thirsty crow was flying in the sky. There was a so hot summer. Then he sees a pot. He put the pebbles one by one in a pot. But it's big. Right? Then slowly the water came up. And he was very happy. Then he drank the water. Then he flew away. Then save each drop of water every day. Moral of the story is don't waste water and use your brain every time. The brain gives us a right answer. Thank you. From book publishing to hosting an event, we have crossed each milestone successfully. This is not the end. This is just beginning. As someone said, picture abhi baki hai mere dost.